morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. My days are all out of sorts because of everything that is going on. It's like 10:30 right now, and I got up and I showered and just changed into some comfy clothes. I'm getting ready to make myself my cup of coffee and eat some breakfast. It is such a gloomy day out today, like so gloomy. It was pretty nice yesterday, but today it's really just dreary outside, which doesn't help anything when things already feel like super crazy weird. Anyway, my cup of coffee is done. I got up and just showered this morning. I was going to work out, but I self-tanned last night, so I decided not to work out this morning so that I could just shower off the self-tan and everything would stay on, because sometimes I self-tan and then work out in the mornings and all of my hard work self-tanning goes right down the drain. So I'm all showered. I'm just waiting for my hair to dry, and then I think I might get a little bit ready. I just have on like a really comfy outfit, just like some leggings, a t-shirt and a cardigan, a typical outfit for me, but I'm trying to get myself back into a routine with everything that is going on. I've heard so many people talking about like what to even post. Like, it does kind of feel weird because I'm done with school for the rest of the semester. There's a little update since my last video about all this. I am done for the semester now with my program, with face-to-face classes anyway. Like, I still have a bunch of online work for my classes, but I won't be meeting face-to-face with any of my professors anymore, which is really sad because I really liked all my professors and stuff, and I'm done in the schools for the rest of the semester, which is a real bummer. I'm really upset about that. And my work is now called off, so I'm called off of work for the next 2 weeks. So it is very weird and very serious and just crazy, the things that are going on right now. So I think I'm gonna try and keep just posting as much regular vlog content as I can, since I can vlog a lot during this time. Like, I really want to use this time to post my videos and like do something that I love and really put my all of my effort into this, because I can, and I feel fortunate that I'm at least able to do this. So I'm trying to get myself back in a routine because I thrive off of routine. I do not do well without having a routine. Like, I need to be getting up early and getting ready, or else I just will not feel normal and I'll just be really not productive. And I still need to be productive even though we are kind of like quarantined for the next couple weeks. I'm going to drink my coffee, hang out for a minute, and then I'm gonna get up, try and get things back in order and back on a routine and back to like as normal as things can be, I guess.
Yesterday, please always say hi if you see me. I understand, like, if I'm with friends or whatever, it might seem like I'm occupied, but like planning like April and everything, but then people like just off my head. Gals on the go merch, more gals with all.
Okay, you guys, I'm finally getting up and getting moving for the day after I have my cup of coffee, and this just needs to be dealt with. This is starting to stress me out. This is Eddie's book that I need to take home to him when I go down to his house later this week. And then I just have all of this stuff that's just been accumulating the past few days that I'm just trying to get organized. So I have like some of my stuff that I used to take to school that I need to organize, some school papers over here. I just don't even know where to start because this is a mess. Now that I'm doing online classes, I think it's really important to have like a space where you do your schoolwork. So I want to start using my desk more. I typically use my desk a lot, but I want to start using it more for schoolwork and stuff. So I want to have a really nice, clean space that I can do my work with, and I want to have all my schoolwork here so that it's not a mess, because it just stresses me out when I'm cluttered. So I'm going through, this was my school bag that I used, and honestly I'm just going to empty it out because there's no point in me having it at this point. I won't have another class until maybe May. I go through the summer for my program, so I will have another class, but I don't even know if that class will happen because of everything that's going on with the coronavirus. I don't know if that class will get pushed to be an online class. Nonetheless, I won't need this until May, and it's March, so I won't need this for a while. So I'm just gonna clean out my school bag and put it downstairs for now because I just won't be using it most likely. So I'm trying to get reorganized because how we're doing online classes now is a little bit different than how I was doing classes when I was actually like going face-to-face, meeting with my professors and stuff. I guess not a ton different, but it just feels a lot different, and I just feel like I need a different way to organize myself so that I feel better about this whole thing. So this is my huge binder. This is a 3-inch binder because I think it's really important, especially because I'm in a graduate program. I'll have to be taking a licensure test when I'm done with this program to get my teaching license. So I think it's important to keep everything because I don't know what I'm gonna need to look back on to study, and I feel like a lot of these resources like professors give us for a reason because they think it's really important. So I just put this all in a huge binder. So like I said, this is like literally a huge 3-inch binder, and I have it filled to the brim pretty much. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fit more in here, but I'll just show you guys quickly how I have it organized. These are just some articles that I've gotten that I just think are like important to have right here. So it's like our code of conduct, and then importance of play in early childhood education. I just think these are like 2 important ones to have. And then as far as my binder goes, I have a lot of papers in these sheet protectors. So in the front, I keep like the really important things that I think we need in sheet protectors. And then back here is like the less important stuff, I guess, that I don't think I'll reference as often in sheet protectors. I put them in sheet protectors because they didn't have holes. Otherwise, I would have put them in just regular. But this whole sheet protector is filled with different papers about like talking to children. And then back here is stuff about the EdTPA, which I will have to do in the fall. So I'm keeping all my EdTPA stuff up here. I can't actually show you guys what is in this folder because it has a bunch of student work, but I'm keeping all of that stuff in case I want to use it in like my portfolio or something one day. So I have like tutoring stuff and different assignments that I've done so far. I just went ahead and put those all in here because I figured I could grab it in case I use it one day. And then I just have all of my other papers. Like there's just so much, and I think it's a lot of important stuff, but stuff that I don't really need at this particular moment. What I'm pretty much planning to do is have this notebook that I've been using for my notes because I'm thinking we're gonna have a lot more readings and responses, discussion board type things. I just think that it's gonna be really important that I like make sure that I'm thoroughly reading and taking notes on the readings. So I'll be using this to take my notes with, and then I'm just gonna use one folder instead of having a million folders. I'm just putting everything that I need in this folder. So this has like all of my syllabi in it for right now, even though pretty much all of my professors are abandoning the syllabus that we had and making a new one and starting fresh. So I'm not even sure if we'll need this stuff, but I have it in here for now. I'll probably go ahead and put all the syllabi in a sheet protector and put it in the prongs and just organize that way and just have like one folder and put it on my desk. I have this thing right here. It's kind of like a little organizer for my desk. So I'm just gonna put my notebook and my folder in here for right now so that it has easy access. Also, all of the notes that I have, this is crazy. But that way it's out of my way, off of my desk, and I can just keep like my planner on my desk. This is the book that I'm reading. I used to love Sarah Dessen books, but I literally got this one on sale at a bookstore just because I really wanted a book to read. So this is the book that I'm reading right now, and that will just be pretty much how I organize this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and finish organizing all this and cleaning off my desk, and then we'll get started with the actual schoolwork that I need to be doing. It has been a little while, but I just went ahead and published this video. This was my clothing haul with Express. I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait for you guys to watch it. So I'll leave it in the cards for you guys to go check out if you haven't seen it yet. But I just love how all of the outfits turned out, especially this one. Where is it? Especially this one right here. I'm so obsessed with this blazer. I love everything about it, so go check it out. And then I just wanted to show you guys my area since I finally got it all organized. I love how it looks. If my camera would focus, I think that it looks so much nicer. I just cleaned everything up. So I have my stuff back here. This is my wedding planner, which I should probably be trying to do some wedding planning stuff while we are kind of like on this little break while we're at home doing nothing, I should be trying to do this. Just have my notebook back here, and then this is my folder. I just put in some sheet protectors for all of my syllabi once my professors do update the syllabus, and then I'll just throw everything in this folder and put it back here. I'll just store it back there when I'm not using it. I really like the way that it turned out. It's not much different, but it just feels much more organized. When you're taking online courses, I think it's really important to have like a designated space to do your work in, because I just feel like you're more focused. Like if I sat on my bed and did my work, I wouldn't feel as productive, and I also wouldn't be as focused as I am having a designated space. And I also use an oil diffuser with lavender in it. I actually have a couple different oils. So I have lavender, I have this eucalyptus one, which I also really like, and then I also have peppermint. You can use any of them, but typically I use the lavender, and I think that's really nice. Just like the calming, soothing scent, and just like seeing it being diffused and smelling it feels really, really good when you're doing your schoolwork now that everything is online. So I'm just glad that I got everything organized. I feel good with my organization of my folder and stuff for all my classes, because I really think, especially when it's online, it is so important to know where everything is, be really, really organized, be on top of stuff, have your own space. Once I get all of my updated syllabi, I will go ahead and plan everything out for the next month or two, probably just for March, because I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're on spring break anyway next week, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, I need to be writing this paper, and I haven't started writing it, which is fine. Let me just show you guys, because this is all I have. It is like literally 2 sentences, and I need to have a whole page. This is a reflection that we have to do for an assignment, and we have class. It's like 3 o'clock right now. I have class in pretty much an hour and a half, and I need to write this whole paper out and then submit it to my professor before class starts, because we will be meeting online. So I need to crank this out now. Got done with my online class. It was all right, but obviously like nothing compared to when you're face to face in a class. Like it's just a lot better, but it's fine. This is what we're dealing with for the next, like, what is it, all of March and all of April, so pretty much for like the next month and a half, since this just started this week, and then next week we have spring break. So pretty much for the next month and a half we'll be doing these online classes, and we'll get through it. It'll be fine. We'll get the work done. We'll still learn. I know a lot of you guys are probably in the same boat, so sending lots of love your way and hoping that everything is going well. I just hope that you guys are taking care of yourselves and using this time to do something that you haven't done before, maybe because you didn't have the time. I bought myself something that I'm going to be spending my time doing once it gets here, hopefully soon. I'm really excited. I want to invest my time into something since I have extra time now, and I encourage you guys to do the same thing, whether it's reading a book, going for a run, working out more, doing something artistic, starting YouTube, like whatever it is, just do it now while you have like an excuse. Just do it now while you have the extra time. Invest your time into something to better you and something that you've always wanted to do but never really had the time to do. I'm gonna spend the rest of my night editing lots and lots of videos, which I'm really excited about. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it feels so weird because it's literally just at home all day, and that's what many of the vlogs to come are going to be. But hope you guys enjoyed this vlog anyway. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.